Friday, February 7th, 2025, and the regional minister, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, will pay a working visit to the Municipal Assembly for Mampong. At 7:57, and your cameras started capture the arrival of the minister at Mampong Municipal Assembly. So, at 8, normally will be 8 will be a bedroom, but at 8, now most of the offices na yembi Mampong Municipal Assembly it's a key break akra until say some of the offices get opened. And minister Esha say or call rounds offices by office na where near Ekosu ho Jumedi Omudi ho and even assembly no washroom or mu use ni ade nyina no minister nyabotre inspecting ni nyina ehwe say ampa bibia function kama ewo Mampong Municipal Assembly ho no mo a and enti rounds no ekoso a na enya assembly office no nko a wo hwe other departments the Ghana Education Service, Health Insurance Scheme Omo office, Ghana National Fire Service Omo office oko Shraj office and other offices woko share the new building we are say esi the immigration service what tall dining nyina share it is yet to be commissioned so dino na ekon kan na shin kran so yi pa ne nyina no minister rounds share na wo call rounds no wie no so na afi wo se wo shia the various heads of department the municipal assembly and other departments as around the assembly no na was say one wo shia
maybe our department more problems here minister by mo pese me hu na me carry on need action near so we will give you the opportunity for an open forum so we can hear from you and be able to address all your concerns in that regard.
Obama mpwase ya na Zoom live no ewo car na omode sesa yebola ano ena mrebi enya fault ena cook mase ansa ma habi ntitore bi wo ho a bonse bola na ayeye ma na krum tantan this ebi omko adwira ana omko nsuta nti ahai abeye okuro yi de ye besere wadaro mananka car no wama emo no na yatimi adi juma na ahye wani munyam medase
last year June July rainy season no here scap we are team to the other police barrier no mountains no it are fully crossing the road. In fact not before no ba ha the inspection in fact later no almost say I should do some estimate from the team to the down and now my name is West Department they all the estimate about the solar energy now come mountain from the team to the down. In fact yes submit estimate later I'm not more officer for regional director no me who no catch them say our report is fruitful catch them say ready and we should pursue it. In fact over there I'm putting it before you. I'm saying light from the top down there to the top security as we talk about security no thank you.
Na minister so etie nkomo ni nyina wie no na wo ma assurance say nukreni aban no aye John Dramani Mahama aban wasinkete say obehwe aboa na dwumadi ahodu bia assemblies no pese ekọ na wo mo adwumadi ekọ nkan no wo hye omobo say obetu anamon na esusuaso papa abaso na assembly no ene mampokromani nyina no omososo enya hotoso ewo aban ni mu.
Okay, once again for more time more concerns am I express I'm very sure say in the month of March a year processing and the Niamamu DC. In the absence of that, I may act as DC, MC, KMA boss, regional minister. When they said, I'll thank you once again on behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and on my own behalf, and encourage you say, We are there for you. Our doors are always open. We are here to make sure we work together with you to make sure we build a better Ghana and we build the Ghana that we all want. I want to thank you. May God bless you. May God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong.